Hey guys, I just got home from Trader Joe's and I am going to go ahead and show you what I got. Kids are running around as per usual, so if it's noisy, that's what you're hearing. And I just want to thank everybody. I got some awesome suggestions on things that I should pick up while I was there, so I'm going to go ahead and lay it all out and I'll show you what I got. Okay guys, so I laid everything out and I'll just take you through really quickly and show you everything I got. So the first thing I got was 2 bags of the chicken breast tenderloins. Those are frozen. I got 3 bags of turkey meatballs. I got 2 of these, which I'm not even, I guess it's just like Korean, I don't know, it says Korean brand sesame marinated boneless ribs, but it just sounded really good and we're gonna grill tonight, so I thought that that would be awesome. And we're also gonna grill these up. I got curry chicken tenders and sun-dried tomato basil chicken tenders, so that sounds really awesome. I got some Parmesan cheese, some almond milk. I got 2 bottles of the 21 Seasoning Salute because I heard such good things. I got some more coconut oil spray, some eggs, some turkey bacon, 2 bags of Brussels sprouts. I got the roasted garlic hummus, super excited. I got the red, yellow, and green bell pepper strips, and this looked really, really good, the fire roasted corn. I got the Parisian carrots, a bag of apples, some frozen pineapple tidbits, of course almond butter, some strawberries, some mandarin oranges, 2 bottles of the tomato basil marinara sauce. Oh my god, look at these, and what are these called? They're literally called, like, let me say, what are they called? Teeny tiny potatoes. How adorable. Yep, so I got a bag of those. I got some whole wheat pasta. Let's see, I got 2 different kinds of tea. I got pomegranate white tea and organic green tea. I'm excited to try both of those. And then I just got these for the kids. This apple walks into a bar, cereal bars. I don't know, they like cereal bars. And I also got some granola bars for them as well. So yeah, this is everything I got. I had a super fun time and I can't wait to go back again. And now that I know what they have, I'll be able to you know, plan my meals and stuff better, but I definitely loved it there, and I loved all your suggestions, so thank you again. Some of the stuff I couldn't find, but they have little carriages there. If you shop there, you know they have little, like, toddler-sized carriages, so Madison was, like, having a blast, so I couldn't really look that much because she was all over the place with her carriage, but I did appreciate all the suggestions, and I looked for everything that I could that you did suggest. And yeah, I'm really excited. So I'm going to get everything put away. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.